Detox your lungs. Even though most people don't think of the lungs as an exercise target, there are things you can do to improve how well they function. There are numerous pollutants that can contaminate the air we breathe. Pollen, chemicals, and secondhand smoke are just a few examples of what can become trapped in the air and enter our lungs. Although our lungs do most of the cleaning on their own, there are some things you can do to help them perform at their best. So, how do we proceed with it? Are they easy or difficult to complete? Don't worry, because we will be showing you 7 different ways to detox your lungs. But before anything else, please hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos like these. A lung cleanse may benefit people who have difficulty breathing due to a medical condition such as asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or cystic fibrosis. A lung cleanse may be beneficial if you smoke frequently or need to use certain inhaled medication. Number 1. Steam therapy. Steam therapy, also known as steam inhalation, involves inhaling water vapor to open the airways and possibly loosen mucus. People who have lung diseases may notice that their symptoms worsen in cold or dry air. This climate can cause mucous membranes in the airways to dry out and restrict blood flow. Steam, on the other hand, adds warmth and moisture to the air, which may improve breathing and aid in the loosening of mucus in the airways and lungs. Inhaling water vapor can provide immediate relief and make breathing easier. Some evidence suggests that inhaling steam can help soothe a sore throat, loosen thick mucus, and provide relief after being exposed to pollutants. This therapy may be an effective temporary solution, but more research is needed before researchers fully understand the benefits of steam therapy on lung health. Number 2. Controlled coughing. Coughing is the body's natural way of expelling toxins trapped in mucus. Coughing under control loosens excess mucus in the lungs, sending it up the airways. People with lung conditions such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease may be advised to perform this exercise to help clear lungs. People can clear their lungs of excess mucus by sitting on a chair with their shoulders relaxed, both feet flat on the floor, folding the arms over the stomach, slowly inhaling through the nose, slowly exhaling while leaning forward, pushing the arms against the stomach, coughing 2 or 3 times while exhaling, keeping the mouth slightly open, slowly inhaling through the nose, resting, and repeating as needed. Number 3. Draining mucus from the lungs. Postural drainage entails lying in various positions and allowing gravity to remove mucus from the lungs. This practice may improve breathing and aid in the treatment of prevention of lung infections. The first postural drainage technique is on your back. Lie down on the floor or on a bed. Pillows should be placed under the hips to ensure that the chest is lower than the hips. Inhale slowly through the nose and exhale slowly through the mouth. Each exhale should be twice as long as the inhale, a technique known as 1/2 breathing. Keep going for a few minutes. The second one is when you are on your side. Lie on one side with your head resting on an arm or pillow. Pillows should be placed under the hips. Experiment with a 1/2 breathing pattern. Keep going for a few minutes. Repeat on the opposite side. Finally, when your posture is on your stomach, the third technique is to place a stack of pillows on the floor. Lie down on your stomach with your stomach over the pillows. Remember to keep your hips higher than your chest. To provide support, fold the arms under the chin. Experiment with a 1/2 breathing pattern. Keep going for a few minutes. Number 4. Exercise. Regular exercise not only improves people's physical and mental health and lowers the risk of many health conditions, but it can also help people keep their lungs healthy. Exercise causes the muscles to work harder when increases the rate at which the body breathes, resulting in a greater supply of oxygen to the muscles. It also improves circulation, making the body more efficient at removing excess carbon dioxide produced by exercise. The body will begin to adapt to the demands of consistent exercise. The muscles will learn to use oxygen more efficiently while emitting less carbon dioxide. People with chronic lung conditions may find it more difficult to exercise, but they can benefit from it as well. Before beginning a new exercise regimen, people with conditions such as COPD or asthma should consult with a healthcare professional. Number 5. Green tea. Green tea contains numerous antioxidants that may aid in the reduction of lung inflammation. These compounds may even protect lung tissue from the damaging effects of cigarette smoking. According to a 2018 study of over 1,000 adults in Korea, people who drank at least 2 cups of green tea per day had better lung function than those who drank none. Number 6. Anti-inflammatory foods. Airway inflammation can make breathing difficult and cause the chest to feel heavy and congested. Anti-inflammatory foods can help reduce inflammation and alleviate these symptoms. Turmeric, leafy greens, cherries, blueberries, walnuts, beans, and lentils are all anti-inflammatory foods. Number 7. Chest percussion. Another method for removing excess mucus from the lungs is percussion. A healthcare professional or respiratory therapist will tap the chest wall rhythmically with a cupped hand to dislodge trapped mucus in the lungs. Combining chest percussion and postural drainage can help clear excess mucus from the airways. These are only 7 of the many ways to cleanse our lungs. Which one is your favorite? Maybe you have tried some of these. Let us know about your experiences or what you want to try so that we and others can learn. If you found this video to be beneficial to your health, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more health and wellness content like this. See you in the next video.